I think I finally got everything working. Everything's not colliding, or rather properly colliding. So, oh, what the fuck? Okay, hello. So, in this devlog, I'm basically going to be going through and compiling a list of all of the stuff I need to code for the proof of concept that we're trying to get finished by the 17th, so I have about 9 days to do that. So, as for the meeting last night, I need to figure out all the stuff that we're going to be doing, and I will catch you back once I'm done typing all of that stuff up. So, let's get into it. Okay, I think this is everything I need to do for the time being. So, get rid of this. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what the current state of this is. I already did the main menu. I didn't do a devlog on this because I'm lazy, but here's what we have so far. It's just a main menu. It's what it says on the tin. You can hit start game, and then I have this. So this, I gotta get rid of the stolen art, but I'm probably gonna end up redoing all of this stuff anyway, because instead of it having the movement like this where you just run and then stop, I wanted to have more of a run, there's a resistance and acceleration, so it's not dead stop, there's momentum to your movement. And then I have to add a jump mechanic because there's nothing doing that right now, so I'll have to implement gravity and a floor. And then we talked about having this health system, so I have to figure out where I'm going to put the layout of that. I'm thinking bottom left or top right. Probably bottom left, I think, for that. And then probably need to add a pop menu. Oh my god, I'm so... My brain is like goo. Okay, and so... Okay, so let me go ahead and 4, because there's no way to exit out of it other than all F4 right now. Level 1. Oh, and I need to organize everything. That's priority number 1. Okay. Another thing that I was reading about is I was very, very dumb, and instead of instantiating objects, I just had everything in the node tree, which would work, but it's going to be annoying because we're just going to have to recreate stuff down the right and duplicate code. So what I'm just going to do is create a scene, which is just the character in the 2D camera, and then from there what I can do is instantiate that in each of the levels, so that way it won't have to duplicate this, then copy the code in, which is what I did for previous game jams, and that was a nightmare. So it's time to do that. I have this done. I basically had to reorganize a bunch of stuff. So main menu loads the first level. You fall down, has a camera. And so we now have movement and jumping and floor collision. If I fall off, we have that collision working. Close outside of that. So the question now becomes, how do I implement the acceleration stuff into this? Working, everything's not colliding, or rather properly colliding. So, oh, what the fuck? Alright, so it took about an hour of effort and a bunch of debugging, but I finally got the pause system to work. So, boot up the game. I mean, none of the buttons work, but the pausing itself works. So here we are in our game world. We're going to interact with this object. We can speed glitch, whatever we want to do, right? If you hit the escape key, pauses it and preserves your momentum when you go back. If I interact with this object, pauses it, and the object will continue to slide. If I jump, it'll keep doing that. So that is now working. I just realized I totally forgot to make an outro while I was programming and I was editing the video. But this is all the stuff I got done, the checked off stuff. So I organized everything. I made the player. I don't have a sprite yet, but all I have to do is replace the texture with the animated sprite texture, which isn't hard. I handled the input. We have the movement system, so it's not just, position movement. It's doing acceleration and gravity and friction. Movement slide was an absolute pain, but we got that done. So tomorrow, all I have to do is I'm working with Sarah, and we're going to go through... Oh, actually finished the pause menu. Duh. We're going to do the sprite, and then I'll do this while she's working on the art assets, and then we'll make the health and dream meter if we have enough time. And then I'll do the node map system, and then from there, just a matter of rinsing and repeating for the other two levels. So I think this is absolutely doable by next Friday. So that's about it. And if you enjoyed the video, if you made it this far, I'd really appreciate it if you subscribe to our channel and as you follow our growth as we develop the game. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next vlog.